Hello guys, finally back to Udi Arena. Today I'm going to make a video on the walk through the factory. I know that some of you already saw the factory and you know how it is, but you know many for sure don't know. Xray used to do it on the races here, like European champions, world champions and ETSs. They used to make like a kind of a tour through the factory, but as you know, like for like 1 year we don't have it, so I decided to make this tour for you guys and to show you how fantastic is this place. Let's go for it. As you can see guys, this is for sure amazing. So Bayer is testing the GT, also with Xray. We are on a Saturday, so here like nobody stops. Let's move forward. Here is a cleaning area. We have Alex here. And here guys, it's the restaurant area. So this is basically where normally we eat when we have the important races like ETS, EOS, Xray Grand Final. It's basically here where we can eat. Normally Xray it's offer a catering. So here is how amazing is this. And here we have the wall of fame basically from Xray, all cars and trophies from everything that Xray have achieved. Right there in the back we have, it's like a kind of room for meetings when we have the team manager meetings and everything. It's right there. And here it's basically our audio stand for the on-road track, where was basically Alex driving, as you can see. Here basically is the entertainment area. We have here a ping pong table or a tennis table, and here also we have some RC cars from Xray, like pretty old cars, like the whole career of Xray, let's say, like all cars, whole prototype cars, you know, like everything. So it's really kind of amazing. Some of them are like the first cars of Xray. And now guys, we are going to enter on the where is made area, let's say. So from now on we are going to enter on the factory. So guys, from now on we have Martin Udi with us, so we can better explain the factory. So he knows it better than everyone, so let's go.
So here we have the big boss office. And over here we are moving to the offices where Mario is working. We have the guy who take care about the distributors and dealers, and we have the PR guys, and over here we have the graphic guys who are working on the promotion and graphics of all our products. Over here we have the R&D department where I also work, and 3 other construction guys.
Here guys is basically the meeting room, so when basically they call me here is not the good stuff.
Over here is the room where we make the pictures and all the graphics. Here we move to the packaging area where we keep our stuff on the right side. All our parts are already packed and ready to be prepared for the orders. And over here on the left side is the packaging area where our girls are putting all the parts into the boxes and into the packs. Basically the way how we do it is that every girl has in front of her the sample what all is inside of the package with the part number and with the quantity, and she's putting it inside of the prepared boxes, and then one by one she's packaging it. Here we keep our products in the boxes unpacked. So basically from the production it goes first here and then upstairs for the packaging and to the label. Here on the left side our guys are working on the manual stuff, like they're assembling the setups, the tweak stations, the starter boxes, and all the stuff that is coming. RTR is made and assembled over here. Now we are moving to the production hall. Here on the right side is the production manager's room.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the factory. We are now moving on the Offroad Hall that we had the Worlds. That's it. And guys, we finished now with the off-road wall. So as you can see, the Xray factory is pretty amazing. I hope you guys, if you'd never had the chance to come here, please come here one day, because this is for me the best venue that we have in our world. This is, you can breathe heresy here inside. See you next time, guys. Ciao.